hand. Stand up, hold it in your hand, then tell him bang. Can you tell him that?
Bang.
Tell him again. Tell Bennett bang.
Bang. Bang. Bang. Bang.
Then you tell him, are you going to give it to him? Now give it to him. Now give it to Ben. Great job.
Mama.
More?
Yeah.
No, I don't think we're going to need any more. Can you say, good boy, Bennett?
Good boy, Bennett.
Give him a little pat.
Turn around.
That was awesome. He gave you a high five.
2.
2 high fives. He gave you 10. Good job. Yay, Emma.